Lesson 7. Create a watercolor folding sketchbook. Semi-loose, realistic, and loose painting techniques. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a watercolor folding sketchbook. Making your own artistic mini-book is a simple yet effective way to develop a consistent personal style. Over time, you'll discover that you can build rich habits using this essential technique. By adding the basic form of 8 pages, you can create folded sketchbooks with 16 or 24 pages. This technique is valuable for all ages and skill levels, from children to professional artists. Also, explore different painting techniques, including realistic, semi-loose, and loose styles, each offering unique opportunities for artistic expression. Realistic painting is perfect for those who love detail and precision. Semi-loose painting blends detail with expressive elements, while loose painting is ideal for conveying emotion and movement. Whatever your style, consistency is key. Let's bring your series of watercolor paintings to life by starting with a semi-loose Waterlily painting in your folded sketchbook. Happy painting! Semi-loose painting strikes a balance between realism and abstraction. It captures the subject's essence with some details but allows for expressive brushwork and less rigid structure. Please remember the following text. 1. Focus on specific areas for detailing while allowing other areas to remain less defined. 2. Bold brushstrokes. Use expressive strokes to convey movement and emotion. 3. Simplified forms. Simplify shapes and forms to emphasize the overall composition rather than minute details. Realistic painting aims to depict subjects as accurately and lifelike as possible. Artists focus on fine details, precise proportions, and accurate color representation. Please pay attention to the following. 1. Detailed observation. Carefully study your subject to capture every minute detail. 2. Layering. Build up layers of paint to create depth and texture. 3. Blending. Smooth transitions between colors to achieve a natural look. 4. Consider how light interacts with the subject to create a three-dimensional effect. Loose painting emphasizes expression and mood over detail. It is characterized by broad dynamic brushstrokes and a more abstract approach to forms. The wet-on-wet technique works well with loose painting. The following points are key. 1. Expressive brushwork. Use large sweeping strokes to convey energy and movement. 2. Color blocks. Apply color in large blocks rather than intricate details. 3. Fluid composition. Allow the composition to develop organically, focusing on the overall feel rather than precise accuracy.